Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm here at the Brewers Training Centre with Chris, and today we're tackling a frequently asked question, which is it possible to paint over oil or solvent-based paint with water-based? And the simple answer is yes, as long as you follow a few basic rules. So Chris, where to start?
Well, one thing to note is that if you think the property that you're working on was built before 1978 and that the area you're about to cover could have some lead-based paint, you should really get some specialist advice. Right, prep time. Take some paint prep cleaner and thoroughly degrease the area and let it dry. Then put your goggles on and scrape back any blisters or flaky paint ready for sanding.
And this next step is important. It's difficult to paint over oil-based gloss paint because of its high sheen level. To improve adhesion, you need to create a good surface key and dull the glossy area. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies, and for surfaces that are in good condition, use wet and dry sandpaper. Damaged or flaking surfaces will need medium grade paper followed by fine grade. And always wear a suitable mask when sanding.
Now it's time to fill, if you need to. So use a multi-purpose filler for the small imperfections, allow it to dry before sanding back. Any older wood might need a bit more TLC, so rotten wood, chop it out and use a 2-part filler to fill over. Then sand back and remove all the dust from the area with a tack rag, and you're ready for your water-based bonding primer, which must be allowed to dry.
And once that's all done, it's time to paint. Using a synthetic bristle brush or a mini roller, you can finish your project with 2 coats of water-based top coat. Job done. Any questions? Drop into your local brewer's store. See you again.